Good day, everyone. My name is Anna Marie Undangan from Bitilad 2, and today I will discuss about the steps on how to use vacuum cleaner. One of the most useful home appliances for keeping your home immaculate is a vacuum cleaner. Cleaning rugs, carpets, upholstery, curtains, and even floor tiles is much easier, faster, and more effective if done with a vacuum cleaner. If you're thinking about buying one of these appliances or already have one but do not know how to make good use of it, steps to follow in how to use vacuum cleaner. Step 1. If you still don't have a vacuum cleaner, now is the time to buy one. There are currently many models to choose from. Thanks to technological advances, they have been made more efficient and lighter, so cleaning has become somewhat more pleasant. Make sure you know how to choose a vacuum cleaner to suit both your type of floor and personal necessities so you can clean more efficiently. Step number 2. Once you have your vacuum cleaner, look at it. Older vacuum cleaners have a bag which stores the dirt collected by the apparatus. Newer ones have a removable container which can be reusable. Check what type of vacuum cleaner you have and find out what you need to replace it, clean it, or recycle the device. Step number 3. Another of the most important elements when learning how to use a vacuum cleaner is to check its length. Remember that the length should vary as you're cleaning. So, if you have a vacuum cleaner that has a length indicator, remember to adjust it to the depth of your carpet. Step number 4. Before you start to vacuum your home, move away any small objects that are in the vacuum cleaner's path, like toys. Remember, you could break or lose these items, as the suction power of a vacuum cleaner is high. Save yourself any trouble and move aside the smallest items in your home so you could only vacuum the floor. Step number 5. Time to vacuum. Press the start button in your vacuum and move the device forward and backward. You should make slow movements because if you go too fast, it will not properly collect any dirt. Step number 6. There are multiple accessories for adjusting your vacuum cleaner to any object or area to be cleaned. Change the hose ends of the vacuum cleaner according to whether you want to clean the corners, low furnitures, carpet, rugs, or curtains. And the last step, step number 7. Finally, we recommend that you use the vacuum cleaner to clean your home by ensuring that the normal flow of air does not mess up the areas that you have just cleaned. Just think that you can collect more dust without a broom, so don't stop until you remove all the dirt from your home. Try it. That's all for today's discussion. God bless and keep safe.